Hi, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G7 Power, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. When this menu appears, here we can basically edit our screenshot. We can crop it by tapping this icon right here. And what it does, you can just make this frame smaller and just take part of the screen, for example, take a screenshot of part of the screen. You can also tap on edit icon to basically you can use different tools and draw on it basically. You can also share it right here by tapping this share button. And the last option is to take a, I believe, scroll screenshot. Basically, when you tap this icon, it's gonna start scrolling down page, and tap stop when you want to stop. And as you can see, it took the screenshot of the whole Google page. And once you're done editing your screenshot, just type save right here in the top right corner to save it. Now let's go back to home screen, open the photos. Here we have screenshots. And here's our screenshot. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.